a smile that looks like this, but you would like it to look like this. Well, who wouldn't, right? Who doesn't want a beautiful smile? But a beautiful smile is subjective. Would you agree on that, doctors? Okay, I'm a creative dental specialist. I'm with Dr. Steven Goldstein and Dr. Yair Whiteman, who specialize in beautiful smiles. So, Dr. Whiteman, I'm looking at that after picture and their veneers. But here's what I've just learned from both of you today. You can do veneers or crowns to get that beautiful smile. What's the difference?
Well, essentially the difference is how much tooth structure is being removed to make room for the restoration. Veneer is partial coverage of the tooth. We can remove a lot less tooth structure compared to a crown. And a crown essentially will remove a big portion of the tooth. It's a full coverage restoration.
Got it, got it. Now, how would you decide what to do, a veneer or a crown?
I like to call it a defect-driven approach, and basically depending on either the extent of the defect on the tooth or what is needed to provide best support for the restoration.
Okay, that makes perfect sense. And you both always say less is more. That's kind of your philosophy here,
yes,
right?
The less we drill in a tooth, the healthier it stays.
Okay, so you determine that when you see the patient.
Yes.
Okay, let's talk about what you or what anybody thinks is a beautiful smile. Like I said, it's subjective, right? A lot of people are looking for that perfect line across. And some people want it to be natural. What is it that you want to do for your patients? What do you want them to know when you help them?
What we try to do is give them what they want, but we try to show them what's available. So a lot of times someone wants a perfect smile, but when we dissect what is perfect, you'll see in a minute what we think is perfect or natural. And so it's like very spacing? Subjective, yes.
Yeah, like there's a little tiny space or a little, what is it that, I don't know, it's hard to point out, right?
There are a lot of details regarding what makes teeth look real. So of course, number one is the health of the gum tissue. So if that if that's not healthy, then
it all goes back to taking care of your teeth, right?
Right. You want your gum tissues to be as healthy as possible. But after that, it comes down to the shape of the teeth and the texture and what we call embrasures, the upside down V's that are in between the edges of the teeth.
Yeah.
That's what makes them look real.
Okay, and I think most people want that, but like you said, you'll do whatever you want. I want to talk about this particular case here. Dr. Whiteman, now she had pretty good integrity with her teeth, right? And you were able to do veneers?
Yeah, this is a very good example for an elective case. A patient have otherwise healthy teeth, is just that she wanted them to look a little bit better.
Right, and they look amazing,
thank you,
by the way. They look a lot better.
When the patient came in, she had some old composite restorations that were covering spaces in between the teeth. Okay. And in her case, particularly with veneers, very, very conservative veneers in her case, we were able to really change her smile.
Oh, I'm sure you changed her life. I'm sure. I'm sure you did. Now, why, Dr. Goldstein, did you pick crowns for this patient?
Because the patient had pre-existing crowns. So once the teeth have been prepared, you have to stay with crowns.
Right. So you pretty much had no choice.
Correct.
Right. But
yes.
Look at the after.
Yeah, it looks wonderful. And again, if you look at the details, you'll see that they're not exactly lined up. There's a lot of imperfections that make them look perfect.
Yes, I agree with you. And I think most people, are after that beautiful but natural look these days.
Yes.
So, all right, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for sharing. And by the way, this is an elective service, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right, there we go. Here's more information. Creative Dental Specialists. They're located at 10752 North 89th Place, Suite B217 in Scottsdale. Call 480-614-1597 or learn more when you visit the website creativedentalspecialist.com.